Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Microsoft 365 Graph API Authentication, detailed guide step by step clearly. Before you start, ensure you have a Microsoft 365 account and access to the Azure portal. Begin by logging into the Azure portal at portal.azure.com. In the left-hand menu, select Azure Active Directory. Next, click on App Registrations. At the top, click on New Registration to create a new application. In the name field, enter a suitable name for your application. Select Accounts in this organizational directory only. In the Redirect URI section, set the type to web and enter a valid URL. Click the Register button to complete the application setup. Once the application is registered, take note of the Application, Client, ID and Directory, Tenant, ID. Next, click Add and make sure to copy the value of the client's secret before leaving the page, as it won't be displayed again. Now go to the API Permissions section. Click on Add a Permission, then select Microsoft Graph. Choose Delegated Permissions or Application Permissions depending on your requirements. Check the appropriate permissions you need, then click Add Permissions. Be sure to grant admin consent for the permissions if necessary. Next, you can start coding your application. Install the required libraries for making requests to the Microsoft Graph API. In your project, create a method to request an access token using the client ID, client secret, tenant ID, and the Microsoft Identity Platform. Utilize the OAuth 2.0 authorization code grant flow to obtain the access token. In your application, include the access token in the authorization header when making requests to the Microsoft Graph API. Test your implementation by making a simple API request, such as retrieving user information. Inspect the response to ensure that you have successfully authorized with the Microsoft 365 Graph API. If you encounter any errors, review the permissions and the URL endpoints. With the above steps completed, you are now ready to integrate with Microsoft 365 services using the Graph API. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.